big rig. It's our new tow truck here. Big old international crane, welder, whatever we need. This big old international, so we can do some towing for the race program. Just take it up to the next level. At least start at the right level. Yeah, everything we need in this thing. Plenty of storage. Crane for when we got real awesomeness happening. Welder when shit breaks. We're good at breaking stuff. We can do anything with this thing. Super nice for what it is. It's a 92. They just redid the whole bed, painted all the cabinets, had a rebed line. She's a trooper. She's seen a hard life, but she's been taken care of pretty well.
How long have you wanted one?
Long.
Since before we were engaged?
Yeah. Ain't messing around. We ain't trying to mess around with no 250s, whatever, Super Duties. We don't mess around with none of that. We went straight to the big rig. You need to get over here. We got a big old international 466 in this thing. 6-speed transmission with a splitter on the rear end. 2-speed rear end. It's a big unit right here. 3 pedals. You don't mess around. Seats need a little bit of work. New carpet, needs a headliner, but ready to do some work.
Talk about your step.
I bought this step because it's a pain in the ass to get in this truck. Big old crane right here. It works, except I got excited when we bought it last night and started playing with it and found out that the front seal on this thing has seen better days, so we'll get that fixed up, no problem. The rest of it works, which is awesome. The welder fires right up. When you charge the battery, it's pretty dead, but it's a pretty decent unit here.
What's the welder do? What kind?
It's a AC/DC TIG stick welder. I didn't see if it had a gas line set up on it, so it's probably for scratch start setups, but some pipeline stuff right there.
Do we have a name?
Nope. Gotta figure one out. But it needs a good one.
Good name.
So we need to think of some names for this big rig here. We don't know what to call it, but we need a name for it.
Parker said no on Betsy.
Hello. How are you guys? Why? Well, yeah, it's awesome, but why? Look at this. This is the best part. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
We got everything.
So now we
can
have
do everything.
on-site welding.
We can do everything.
What is that
Get
good
to the
for?
racetrack where we can take and stick. Oh boy.
This thing's a unit. How many people can it hold?
5.
5.
Yeah. It's It's got 2 captain chairs in it.
Okay. Alright.
I'll go racing.
What are you gonna race?
The Corolla. What you talking about?
Oh, you can go racing with the Corolla. I was gonna say, who are
Yeah.
you gonna race in this?
Oh, nothing. Cause this thing's fucking 6 speed.
The honey dripping off a tree? Holy
Yeah.
cow.
Yeah. It lets out all the smoke out the pipe though. All the black smoke.
Does it spool all the turbo?
It's like 15 times boost.
15? Those are rookie numbers.
No.
When you get those numbers up, bud?
Turn it up. Oh yeah.
What was it used as?
Well, its last life was as just a farm truck.
Why?
And they redid the whole bed.
Okay.
Bed lined it. Repainted all the cabinets. Serviced it. And they sold it. And the life before that it was a county truck. I don't know what they
Oh,
were
she
doing.
was well serviced then.
Yeah, so
They had to go get gas.
it's
and
got
got serviced.
380,000 on it,
Oh,
but
jeez. You guys coming in here? What are you doing?
but these are their dark colors. You like either of those?
I like this one.
You like that one? Okay, we get that one. That one's. You want to know how much that one is?
$9.99.
49 cents a square foot. Cheap.
Yes.
For once, you pick the cheapest one somehow. That never happens.
I just want it to be functional.
It's gonna be functional. I'll have to take a carpet dimension. Probably be big enough because they sell. It's like on a 15-foot roll. So then I guess I'll just measure. Like this way, it's probably longer, right? Yeah, because it goes up, and it probably goes up the back. And if it doesn't go up the back, we'll make it go up the back.
Mm-hmm.
And then this way, we'll just measure plus a little bit. And then we'll fucking bolt these seats down. They probably had a bench seat in it, is the problem.
New seats on the list.
Yeah, it's like super easy seat, so
Mm-hmm.
literally just unbolts like right here, and like this shit comes off. So you might just be able to get like these. I don't know. Seats. I'd probably tell us where to get it.
This gross carpet here. We're gonna rip all this out, get a new carpet, new seats, headliner, all messed up, wires hanging. Tried killing me on the test ride right here.
That's for their flashlight charger.
You don't need that. So we're gonna get the headline all nice and pretty, new carpet. This bench seat's nice. Nothing wrong with this. 2 new captain's chairs here, and she'll be ready. And then we're thinking doing black or dark colors with all the oil and whatnot, dirty boys. So we know a guy to change this out to match whatever seats we pick too. So it's gonna be nice. I'm excited.
Ceiling. Some insulation.
Okay, and that'll help with noise.
It should help with noise too. And then I got this. It's like rigid, and it just like reminds me of like a headliner. So it's like perfect. And when we get the fabric, we'll just glue it to that. That should be nice. So now I gotta go to O'Reilly's again. They love me there. And then I got this because it's gonna have to be 2 pieces.
Okay.
You know, like it'll be a front and a back.
Mhm.
I got this. Don't worry about the color. We're gonna paint it black.
Okay.
It's vinyl, so it's like kind of flexible.
Is that gonna go
And this will
down
go in the seam.
in the seam? Okay.
Yeah. And then this you screw. I can screw to this to the bar that goes across, and then it'll just like clip on. So it'll be super easy. And then yeah. Then it's just gonna be. And this stuff right here is cheap. It was only like $11 a board. So I was like, if I fuck up, another one. Not too bad. So, cut these down to length real quick when I get back from O'Reilly's. Glue this to the ceiling. Probably call it a night.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow I'll trim this out to fit the holes right. And then I got an idea of how to attach it. Because when you look in there, there's like a bunch of holes, like to like where screws used to be. We're gonna get those little push pins, those little plastic push pins, like go out like bumpers and stuff on. Go up in here. To go up in these little holes right here. You see these little holes, PG? These little holes.
Yeah.
I'll put them in there. Like every foot, we'll put a push pin, and that will hold the headliner in. Hopefully. And I'm gonna take this horn out that's not working off. The horn up there.
Okay.
I'll take that off. Probably take that other radio off, and I'll just weld the holes shut, grind it down, and then when we fix that other little spot on the roof, Greg can get Greg to paint it or something. All right, so I'm taking a couple days away from the Corolla, and we're gonna work on this thing a little bit more. Give you guys a little tour of our new truck here. I love it. It's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna do exactly what we need it to do, and then some. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.